everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to configure the Leadshine DC drive to match the third-party DC motor. Leadshine DC servo driver can match various types of DC motors and encoders, such as DC servo motor, brush motor, brushless motor, slotless motor, and frameless motor. It also can match encoders with different resolutions. In this video, I will apply 1000 line encoder servo motor. First, according to the definition of driver and motor encoder interface, connect the encoder cable. To prevent electromagnetic interference, the encoder cable is recommended to use shaded cable. This graph shows the signal definition of the encoder. And this graph shows the encoder terminal of the driver. Connect the encoder cable and motor cable according to the definition. As you see, for the whole sensor signal, the drive has only HU, HW, and HV. However, the encoder connector includes W+, W-, U+, U-, V+, and V-. So we should ignore U-, W-, V- and connect to U+ to HU, V+ to HU, and W+ to HW. And then we connect them according to these two graphs. Before configuring, do not install the motor on machinery or release the load from motor shaft. Open Motion Studio 2.3.0 and connect the driver. We can find motor config in the menu bar of the ELD2 CAN 7015B, or find it in the function navigation panel. Double-click and open motor config. At the motor setting page, in the motor model pull-down menu, please select 0-100 self-defined model. Then we need to write motor's parameters provided by the manufacturer into this table one by one. But please remain PA700 current loop gain and PA701 current loop to be default values. After finishing motor setting, then click OK and Yes. And OK again. Next, we will configure encoder in a zero calibration. First, click this icon behind the PA716 encoder model. Then, according to the motor encoder parameters, select encoder resolution and encoder type. In this video, the encoder is 1000 lines with Hall sensors and the signal is ABZ differential signal, so I select 1, 1000, and 0, ABZ differential. Finally, click OK. If the driver is alarming, please click OK and Yes. After saving parameters, then restart the power supply to clear the alarm. If any alarm cannot be cleared, please check the encoder or Hall signal connection and encoder setting in zero calibration. If there is no alarm, select encoder identification, then click Run. The motor will begin to rotate slowly. After motor stops, encoder zero calibration is completed. Okay, that's all for this episode. Feel free to leave your questions or ideas in the comments. Thank you.